Kahit saan ka mag-apply, kailangan mo ma-reach muna yung income and you must be Rocket Host or S-Idol first for you to become Star Host. Kanina kasi may nag-message sa akin regarding na ganito daw sa ibang region, like that, may nakita daw akong ganito na Star Host sa ibang region. Pag ibang region na hindi namin sakop, of course, magkaiba yung policy natin. Okay? Kung hawak po namin kayong region, you must earn $180 at least para hindi po kayo bumalik sa pagiging S-Idol and Rocket Host. And to apply as being Star Host, you need to earn 2.5M, $250 weekly in 3 consecutive weeks. Consecutive meaning magkakasunod. So, ang Rocket Host and S-Idol kasi, mas mababa yung quota niya compared to Star Host. And, of course, all basic salary must have quality life. Pero mapapansin ninyo, yung mga Star Host po talaga natin is high quality. So, mapapansin ninyo yung mga Star Hosts, once they do live, they are quality talaga. And they have gifters that supports their quota. Kasi po sa pagiging basic salary, may quota po din po ito. So, kailangan niyo po talaga mga quota or else, kapag ikaw ay Star Host, babalik ka sa pagiging Rocket Host or S-Idol. At kung ikaw ay isang S-Idol or Rocket Host na hindi nakakota, ay maaari ka matanggal, pero maaari ka mag-reapply after 30 days. At kung sakali naman pong ikaw po ay Star Host at natanggal ka, maaari ka mag-reapply once you reach again the target income. So you can follow me on Popo Live. My user ID is 79170. I have some tutorials on my social media accounts. Just search Tita Laika.